Okay, boys, so we're going to address this city bus crash fuck up my beast issue. Now, I was at the scrapyard the other day picking pole, and I found an E39 with one of these guys on the front passenger door. And I thought, well, maybe it's close enough to the E38. And if you stack it up, it almost is, but it's a wee bit too long. A little bit too long. A little bit. So that's no go. But I think, perhaps, it is similar enough that what we can do is, if we can get this to fit here like it should, maybe I can move it back a scotch. But I'm thinking the better idea would probably be to trim this side down. Get my angle grinder or something in. Yeah, the black on here is just past the chrome piece. This thing will fucking focus. Eh. And this, it sticks out considerably, so if I just cut it, I think, right at the chrome, I'm thinking it'll be the exact same length. So that's, I think, going to be the game plan. Slice it. And then we'll snap it on, and then we'll be golden. So that's the game plan. We're just going to cut that thing off. Quarter of an inch maybe, whatever. And then we'll put her on.